game put you up on a level. Different tree, watch it.
Fight like you want the young artists them stairs and come go up on them knee in front town and say, Father, yeah, my father, you know, her skirt. Go suck your mother. No. The real mama.
Suck your mother, your real mother. Me just want you say if I miss Maggie attack. Don't say fair. Just blood clot say fair.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're going to have a conversation about this thing we are going on, you know, viewers and subscribers, because remember, as I say, only the people can talk the truth, brother. Don't judge me off what me I say. Just talk the truth off of what you understand in this whole situation between Tony Matterhorn and Kraff. You get me? Because Kraff when they pan in live, you get me, and Kraff event pan him live. You get me? Yes, we know before Kraff got pan in live couple days before Tony Matterhorn did a call Kraff name about a bag of things and I talk about the young artists them. You understand? So I don't know if Tony Matterhorn have a problem with the young artists them and feel like say the young artists them have to listen to him because he's a veteran from Wappy Kill, Philo or whatever. You understand? I listen to the live. I understand everything that Kraff is saying in the live, viewers and subscribers. Please like. I understand everything, viewers and subscribers. Listen, Kraff have the right to say whatever him want to say pan him live because him a talk to him fans them pan him live. Remember, you know, him a artist. You no matter what you, Tony Matterhorn, think. You get me? The people them where they are dance all, they are Jamaica, in a parties, I listen to music, I drive in them car and everything. I Kraff them I listen to, and other young artists that just come out that you may have a problem with Tony Matterhorn. You have nothing to do in the young artist them career. So I don't think that you should have anything to say about Kraff and your life or the young artists them. They don't have to listen to none of una at all because them are their own big man, them are spend their own money, them are do their own business. If I lie, I tell viewers and subscribers, leave it in the comment section. Please like and share the video because this thing I get out of hand. I want to know, take a listen to what Kraff have to say and what Tony Matterhorn have to say also, because I can't really
Ever try fight like you want the young artists them stairs and come go up on them knee in front town and say, Father, yeah, my father, you know, her skirt. Go suck your mother. No. The real mama. Suck on a real mama. You see, pray. Because when the young artists them arise, you don't see it from the reach, from way down at one place, you know. You don't see when them a go a studio, you know. And some big artists did it. And them all reach before the big artists. And them have to wait till the big artists them voice before them voice. You see, pre you see pain where young artists them have to go through before them reach a point where them can see something. You know much young artists them have out there when them take for idiot. When them tell them say, yo, you have to pay all 100,000, 50,000 for voice pan a rhythm. And at them have to shoot their own video. And them have to stay and promote them own darkness one at a time. And when the young artists them stay and promote them own darkness, and by chance that same song hit, a hit song young artists go find. You don't feel like say the young artist supposed to go on something. The young artists they don't want nothing, brother. You hear me? The artists they don't want nothing, brother. Cause you don't see when they whisper, you not there when the man them a struggle. You not there when the man them a struggle to get peace I like, brother. Alone the floor, the man them do them thing, brother. If the man them feel like say, yo, them want stay so real school, make the man them stay so real school, them want mine. You see me? Anything the man them do, he say, that them roll by. I saw it work one at a time. You see me? That is like telling a farmer, say, if he plant 200,000 row corn. You see me? You know half of water. You know half of dirt. You don't even half of groom the plant one at a time. But as soon as the plant bloom, you don't want 3 here a can. The one they want 3 here a can. The next one they want 10. The The next one they want 20. Pussy where did they when me a grow me can.
Suck your mother, your real mother. Me just want you say if I miss Maggie attack. Don't say fair. Just blood clot say fair. Just anybody will know him and him look a buduf bath them call me buduf bath on a blood clot. Just say fair. Because me no responsible who young and dunce. Me blood clot illiterate. Me mad. Remember, when I go for Valiant, say, hey, me a mad somebody. Valiant just blood clot mad. And from 1990 blood clot to me mad.
Viewers and subscribers, there you have it on the earphone itself. Tony Matterhorn address Kraff, ask him say if I'm mad I might tell him about it, really mad. All of these people, they make no sense to me, is me? To my eyesight, they make no sense because Kraff a big man, Tony Matterhorn a big man. You get me? I say one older than one, see me, but that don't mean say because you young, you have to show respect to a man older than you. If me don't know a man, people, me not gonna show him respect, you know. I'm not bow down to the man, brother. You get me? I say, alien walk past like me not see you, me not stand up and talk to you. Me ain't no friend. You see me? Me not walk up to you and beg you anything bad dog, you get me? Yeah. So with that being said, Kraff now for sure Tony Matterhorn no respect. Same way, and Tony Matterhorn now for sure Kraff no respect viewers and subscribers. But only leave it in the comment section. What you think all of this argument and this conversation are going to lead to? Because this thing can get serious, you know, because this live is not all about Tony Matterhorn, you know, people. You get me? Yeah, man. So when me have to say to the artists, just go and hold on the demon them, man. You get me? Yeah, man, as you say in the darkness there. Yeah, man, go and hold on the demon them, because if you don't hold on the demon them, my friend, you know where the demon them go down. Under the dirt. You see me? Or in a cell, my friend. You get me? And you say, you're up on the road, I do you tune them for buddha them. Yeah, man, stay up on the road and do you tune them for buddha them, bad dog. You hear that? Yeah, man. Don't pay Tony Matterhorn the mind, brother. Focus on your career. You know, say I'm not Tony Matterhorn. Bring your career wait there right now. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, if I shoot me, I tell the artist, just let me know in the comment section. You see me? Don't judge me and say either viewers and subscribers, because someone will leave some comment like, you know, hold on the channel to see him way, you see me? No joke, but respect to everybody see him way. Where I watch my channel and understand what me I try to say. You get me? Because to be honest, Kraff now for sure Tony Matterhorn no respect, and Tony Matterhorn, you send threat to the artist and to him friends them around him, because if you're going to say all them ticky there around him, I tell him say anybody will know him, tell him say me a madman, not true valiant sing mad out song, or no just think on a madman. Tony Matterhorn a life you talk about in the people. You see me, a life you talk about in the brother. You can't feel like say true your all and you're in a dance hall and you feel like say your name depend. You see me depend on like a level. You feel like you can style the young artists them thing. They have them friends and they have them fans better, and them man have them area under control too. You see me, I know badness me I promote people, but Tony Matterhorn cannot see Kraff and violate him, because enough artists me see violate Tony Matterhorn, you know. And what him do? Him take it and walk. I remember them take where him gun, you know, when him come to Jamaica, you know. He come in a news to, you know, viewers and subscribers, and don't forget. So them take where him gun when him come to Jamaica. So now you want hype on young Kraff. Cha. God not sleep, man. If I lie me, I tell viewers and subscribers, leave it in the comment section. I hope this thing play out properly to you, see me, because this thing not going to be easy, you know. I'm out until the next one.